CIET NCERT presents audiobook Khel Yatra, textbook of physical education and well-being for grade 7.
Page 215, Suggested Session Plans for Teachers. Page 216, Session Plan for Yoga. The plan for the first month is as follows. First, Yoga for Daily Life. In the third period, students will get Introduction of Yoga for the 10 minutes. In sixth period, Introduction to Yoga will be given for 10 minutes. In ninth period, Introduction to Panch Kosha will be given for 10 minutes. In the 12th period, Introduction to Panch Kosh will be given for 10 minutes. Yoga Sadhana. In the third period, Sukshma Vyayam will be done for 10 minutes. Krida Yoga will be done for next 15 minutes. In the sixth period, Sukshma Vyayam will be done for 10 minutes. Shithli Karna Vyayama will be done for next 10 minutes. Mudra will be practiced for next 5 minutes. In the ninth period, Sukshma Vyayama will be done for 10 minutes. Krida Yoga will be done for next 15 minutes. In the 12th period, Shithli Karna Vyayama will be done for 10 minutes. Introduction to Surya Namaskara will be given for the next 10 minutes. Relaxation will be done for next 5 minutes. Page 217. Session plan for yoga for the second month is as follows. Yoga for daily life. In the 15th period, activity related to Panch Kosha will be done for 10 minutes. In 18th period, Test 1 assessment will be done for 10 minutes. In 21st period, Introduction to Ashtanga Yoga will be given for 10 minutes. In 24th period, Introduction to Yama will be given for 10 minutes. Yoga Sadhana. In the 15th period, Shithli Karna Vyayama will be done for 10 minutes. Surya Namaskara will be done in next 10 minutes. Relaxation will be done for next 5 minutes. 18th period, Sukshma Vyayama will be done for 10 minutes. Krida Yoga will be done for next 15 minutes. 21st period, Sukshma Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Breathing practices will be done for next 10 minutes. Introduction to Asana, revision of previous class, asanas will be done for 10 minutes. In 24th period, Shithli Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara will be done for 5 minutes. Introduction to Pranayama, revision of previous class will be done for 15 minutes. Page 218. Session plan for yoga for the third month is as follows. Yoga for daily life. 27th period, Introduction to Niyama will be given for 10 minutes. 30th period, Ishvara Pranidhana story will be told for next 10 minutes. 33rd period, activity will be done for next 10 minutes. 36th period, midterm assessment will be conducted. Yoga Sadhana. 27th period, Sukshma Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes, followed by breathing practices for next 10 minutes. Then introduction to Utkatasana for the next 10 minutes. 30th period, Shithli Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara will be done for 5 minutes, followed by revision of Utkatasana for 10 minutes and relaxation for next 5 minutes. 33rd period, Shithli Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes, followed by Surya Namaskar for next 5 minutes. Introduction to Gomukhasana will be given for next 10 minutes and relaxation for last 5 minutes. 36th period. Midterm assessment will be conducted. Page 219. Yoga session plan for the 4th month is as follows. Yoga for daily life. 39th period. Pratyahara for 10 minutes. 42nd period. Activity related to Pratyahara for 10 minutes. 45th period. Revision of Ashtanga Yoga for 10 minutes. 48th period. Revision will be done for next 10 minutes. Yoga Sadhana. 39th period. Sukshma Vyayama will be done for first 10 minutes. Pranayama, Nadi Shuddhi, Brahmari, Introduction to Janana Mudra will be given for next 15 minutes. 42nd period. Shithali Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskar will be done for 5 minutes. Introduction to Sarla Dhanurasana will be given in next 15 minutes. 45th period. Shithali Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes, followed by breathing practice for 10 minutes. Introduction to Bhastrika for 10 minutes. 48th period. Sukshma Vyayama 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara 5 minutes. Relaxation for 5 minutes. And Bhastrika for 10 minutes. Page 220. Yoga session plan for the 5th month is as follows. Yoga for daily life. 51st period. Revision of Panchkosha will be done for 10 minutes. 54th period. Test to assessment will be conducted for 10 minutes. 57th period. Revision of Ashtanga Yoga will be conducted for 10 minutes. Yoga Sadhana. 51st period. Shithali Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara will be done for 5 minutes. Sarla Dhanurasana will be done for 10 minutes. Introduction to simple meditation will be given for 5 minutes. 54th period. Shithali Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara will be done for 5 minutes. Introduction to Jatru Trataka, revision of previous grade, will be done for 15 minutes. 57th period. Sukshma Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara will be done for 5 minutes. Introduction to Sarvangasana and Matsyasana will be done for 10 minutes. Relaxation will be done for 5 minutes. 60th period. Shithali Karna Vyayama will be done for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara will be done for 5 minutes. Revision of Sarvangasana and Matsyasana will be done for 10 minutes. Introduction to Panchakosh meditation will be done for 15 minutes. Page 221. Yoga session plan for the 6th month is as follows. Yoga Sadhana. 63rd period. Shithali Karna Vyayama for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara for 5 minutes. Revision of asanas for 10 minutes. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama and Brahmari Pranayama and Shanmukhi Mudra for 10 minutes. Introduction to Panchkosh meditation for 5 minutes. 66th period. Sukshma Vyayama for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara for 5 minutes. Relaxation for 5 minutes. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama and Brahmari Pranayama with Shanmukhi Mudra for 10 minutes. Jatru Trataka for 10 minutes. 69th period. Shithali Karna Vyayama for 5 minutes. Surya Namaskara for 5 minutes. Revision of asana for 10 minutes. Relaxation for 5 minutes. Pankosha meditation for 10 minutes. 72nd period is blank for practice. Page 222. Yoga module for practice at home. Duration 30 minutes. Yoga module for practice at home. 2. Opening prayer. Duration 2 minutes. Loosening practices. Sukshma Vyayama and Shithlikarna Vyayama. Anguli Shakti Vikasaka. Duration 1 minute. Mani Bandh Shakti Vikasaka. Duration 1 minute. Mani Bandh Chakra. Duration 1 minute. Kehuni Shakti Vikasaka. Duration 1 minute. Skandh Chakra. Duration 1 minute. Griva Sanchalan. Duration 1 minute. Breathing practices. Marjari Asana. Duration 1 minute. Asanas. Utkatasana. Duration 1 minute. Sarla Dhanurasana. Duration 1 minute. Sarvangasana. Duration 1 minute. Matsyasana. Duration 1 minute. Relaxation for 5 minutes. Pranayam. Sectional breathing for 5 minutes. Dhyan. Simple meditation for 5 minutes. Closing prayer for 2 minutes. Opening prayer. Duration 2 minutes. Loosening practices. Sukshma Vyayama and Shithlikarna Vyayama. Forward-backward bending. Duration 1 minute. Side bending. Duration 1 minute. Bending and twisting. Duration 1 minute. Twisting. Duration 1 minute. Breathing practices. Vyagraha Asana. Duration 2 minutes. Surya Namaskar. Duration 5 minutes. Asanas. Gomukhasana. Duration 1 minute. Sarla Dhanurasana. Duration 1 minute. Sarvangasana. Duration 1 minute. Matsyasana. Duration 1 minute. Relaxation 5 minutes. Pranayam. Bhastrika. Duration 1 minute. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Duration 2 minutes. Bhramri Pranayama. Duration 1 minute. Dhyan. Simple meditation. Duration 2 minutes. Closing prayer. Duration 2 minutes. Page 223. Suggestive Annual Session Plan. 3 sports are introduced in grade 7. Teacher has to opt any 2 as per the administrative feasibility. A table is given on this page which is divided in 6 parts. Part 1, period. Part 2, unit numbers. Part 3, session type. Part 4, activity name. Part 5, activity number. And Part 6, cumulative order. First period, Unit 1, Type 2, the ball progression game. PE1, cumulative PE1. Second period, Unit 1, Type 2, Ghor Padiche Shiput. PE2, cumulative PE2. Third period, Unit 6, Yoga. Yoga for daily life. YG1, cumulative YG1. Fourth period, Unit 1, Type 2, Naluguralu Atta. PE1, PE3, cumulative PE3. Fifth period, Unit 1, Type 2, Geethada Good Kavan. PE4, cumulative PE4. Sixth period, Unit 6, Yoga, Panchakosha. YG2, cumulative YG2. Seventh period, Unit 1, Type 2, Stand Up, Speak Out. PE5, cumulative PE5. 8th period, Unit 1, Type 2, Harassment Prevention Skit. PE6, cumulative PE6. Period, 9th period, Unit 6, Yoga. Activity on Panch Kosha. YG3, cumulative YG3. 10th period, Formative Assessment. 11th period, Unit 2, Type 1. Set it up, knock it down. MF1, cumulative MF1. 12th and 13th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Dhan Ki Bori. MF2, cumulative MF3. 13th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Yama. YG4, cumulative YG4. 14th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Stand up, speak out. MF3, cumulative MF4. 15th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Harassment Prevention Skit, MF4, cumulative MF5. 16th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Niyama. YG5, cumulative YG5. 17th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Skipping Race, MF5, cumulative MF6. 18th and 19th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Atya Patya, MF6, cumulative MF8. 19th period, Unit 6, Yoga, A Journey of Oneness, YG6, cumulative YG6. 19th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Food for Health, MF7, MF9, cumulative MF9. 21st and 22nd period, Unit 2, Type 1, Dapo Nair Ka Sunam, MF8, cumulative MF10. Page 224, 23rd period, Unit 6, Yoga, Activity on Yama and Niyama, YG7, cumulative YG7. 24th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Madhu and Manu, MF9, cumulative MF11. 25th period, Unit 2, Type 1, Skipping Song, MF10, cumulative MF12. 26th period, Formative Assessment. 27th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Yog Sadhana, YG8, cumulative YG8. 28th and 29th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, Forehand Grip and Air Toss, and Kicking the Ball with the inside of the foot, FSA 1, cumulative FSA 2. 30th and 31st period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, Backhand Grip and Air Toss, and Receiving by the inside of the foot, FSA 2, cumulative FSA 4. 32nd period, Unit 6, Yoga, Sukshma Vyayama, YG9, cumulative YG9. 33rd and 34th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, footwork skills and passing the rolling ball. FSA 3. Cumulative FSA 6. 35th and 36th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3. Backhand low serve and step trapping. FSA 4. Cumulative FSA 8. 37th period, Unit 6, Yoga. Sheethli Karna Vyayama. YG10. Cumulative YG10. 38th and 39th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3. Backhand lift and dribble. FSA 5. Cumulative FSA 10. 40th and 41st period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, forehand lift and feinting. FSA 6. Cumulative FSA 12. 42nd and 43rd period, Unit 6, Yoga. Surya Namaskara, YG11, cumulative YG12. 44th and 45th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, forehand high serve and kicking the ball for accuracy. FSA 7, cumulative FSA 14th. 45th and 46th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, forehand low serve and passing the ball in the air. FSA 8. Cumulative FSA 16. 47th period, Unit 6, Yoga. Asana. YG 12, cumulative YG 13. 48th and 49th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3. Forehand drive and pass and move relay drill. FSA 9, cumulative FSA 18. 50th and 51st period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, backhand drive and interception. FSA 10, cumulative FSA 20. 52nd period, Unit 6, Yoga, Utkatasana. YG 13, cumulative YG 14. 53rd and 54th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, forehand overhead clear and front blocking tackling. Front block tackling. FSA 11, cumulative FSA 22. 55th and 56th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, forehand overhead drop and goalkeeping. FSA 12, cumulative FSA 24. 57th period, Unit 6, Yoga. Gomukhasana. YG 14, cumulative YG 15. Page 225. 58th period, formative assessment. FA 3, cumulative FA 3. 59th and 60th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 4, badminton match and 5A side match. FSA 13, cumulative FSA 26. 61st and 62nd period, Unit 5, Type 3. Raiding footwork. KB1, cumulative KB2. 63rd period, Unit 6, Yoga. Dhanurasana. YG 15, cumulative YG 16. 64th and 65th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Hand Touch, KB 2, Cumulative, KB 4. 65th and 66th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Toe Touch, KB 3, Cumulative, KB 6. 67th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Sarvangasana, YG 16, Cumulative, YG 17. 68th and 69th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Kick, KB 4, Cumulative, KB 6. Cumulative, KB 8. 70th and 71st period, Unit 5, Type 3, Ankle Hold, KB 5, Cumulative, KB 10. 72nd period, Unit 6, Yoga, Matsyasana, YG 17, Cumulative, YG 18. 73rd and 74th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Thigh Hold, KB 6, Cumulative, KB 12. 75th and 76th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Knee Hold, KB 7, Cumulative, KB 14. 77th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Breathing Practices, YG 18, Cumulative, YG 19. 78th and 79th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Wrist Hold, KB 8, Cumulative, KB 16. 80th and 81st period, Unit 5, Type 3, Waist Hold, KB 9, Cumulative, KB 18. 82nd period, Unit 6, Yoga, Breathing Practices, YG 19, Cumulative, YG 21. 83rd to 85th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Chain Hold, KB 10, Cumulative, KB 21. 86th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Pranayama, YG 20, Cumulative, YG 22. 87th period, Formative Assessment, FA 4, Cumulative, FA 4. 88th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Mudras and Pratyahara, YG 21, Cumulative, YG 23. 89th period, Unit 6, Yoga, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi, YG 22, Cumulative, YG 24. 90th to 95th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 3, Revision of all the fundamental skills, FSA 1 to FSA 12, Cumulative, FSA 31. 96th and 97th period, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Type 4, Badminton Game and 5A Side Match, FSA 13, Cumulative, FSA 33. 98th to 105th period, Unit 5, Type 3, Revision of all fundamental skills, KB 1 to KB 10, Cumulative, KB 28. 105th and 106th period, Unit 5, Kabaddi Game, Cumulative, KB 30. 107th to 120th period, Summative Assessment, SA 1, Cumulative, FA 5.
Khel Yatra. You were just listening to this audiobook. Textbook of Physical Education and Well-being for Grade 7. Narration Mansi Chauhan. Sound Recordist Manju Kumari. Production Assistant Amarjeet Sarkar. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.